Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with the solution. So here you can see, you can select the date, whatever the date you want to start with. For example, let me start with January 14th, and you will see this YouTube. It's shifted. Once you have made any changes, you need to press this button update, and you will see the proper version, the proper view. Okay, so here is another option. Let me start it from the January 1st, so that we can see all the values. There is another option. Currently you can see it's a small text. If you want to increase the text length, you can either choose character 10 characters or full text. Let me check. Click select the full text first and press this button update. Once done, you will see all the full text in all the relevant dates channels accordingly. If you don't want to see it, you want a narrow version, you can select 10 characters. Once selected, just press this button update. First 10 characters will be shown in the black boxes, and here you can see the narrower version. So this is how it works. It will show you the whole year. You can select and print only the selected part, whatever you need. Please let me know if you need any further modification on this one. Thank you.